Hello everyone. Today we will see the evaluation of the naive-Bayes model and its real-world use cases. We know naive-Bayes is a probabilistic machine learning algorithm based on Bayes' theorem. It is mainly used for classification problems, especially when working with text data. For this, we have used this span dataset taken from the Kaggle. Here, as we can see, we have already completed the basic steps such as loading the dataset, converting text into numerical form, and training the model. So let's directly focus on evaluation part. So first step that comes under the model evaluation is of prediction. Here we are using the trained model to make prediction on the test data and following is the code used for it. The prediction function applies the learned probabilities to classify each messages and following is the output. This output shows the predicted class for each messages, where ham represents a normal message and spam represents an unwanted message. Next comes the accuracy. Accuracy measures how many predictions are correctly made out of the total predictions, and following is the code used for it. And we have been provided with the accuracy 0.978, which means that the model is 97% accurate in classifying messages. Then comes the confusion matrix that provides a detailed comparison between the actual and predicted values. And following is the code used for it. The output provided shows that most predictions are correct, but there are still some errors such as misclassified spam or misspam messages. Next comes the classification report. This report provides the deeper evaluation metrics like precision, recall, and F1 score. And following is the code used for it. And we are provided with the output. Here, precision tells us how accurate the predictions are made, while recall shows how many actual spam messages were detected, and F1 score gives a balance between both. Coming to the next part, which is of use case. We know naive-Bayes is widely used in applications where text data and probability-based classification are involved. It is simple, fast, and works efficiently on large datasets. First use case is of spam detection, where naive-Bayes is commonly used in spam detection systems to classify emails as spam or legitimate. It analyzes the performance of certain words like spam, not spam, win, or free, and calculates their probabilities to make accurate decisions. Due to its speed and efficiency, it is widely used in email filtering systems. We can see its common use in Gmail and Outlook. Next comes the sentiment analysis. It is used, uh, it means Naive-Bayes model is used in sentiment analysis to determine whether a text is positive, negative, or neutral. This is helpful in analyzing customer reviews and social media comments by identifying the tone of the message. Next use case is related to news and document classification. Here, Naive-Bayes is used to categorize documents or news articles into topics like sports, politics, or technology. It works well because different categories have different word patterns. Next use case is of chat and comment filtering, where Naive-Bayes helps in filtering spam or offensive messages in chats and online platforms. This ensures safe and more moderate digital environment on various platforms regarding the social media or any other online communities. Next use case comes under the medical diagnosis, where naive-Bayes can be used to estimate the probability of disease based on symptoms, providing a simple approach for basic medical prediction. For example, a person with the symptoms of fever and cough have a probability of getting a flu. Next use case is of recommendation system where name-based model is used in simple recommendation systems to suggest products or content based on user behavior and past data. Name-based is simple yet powerful classification algorithm. It performs well in text-based applications and can be evaluated using metrics like accuracy, confusion metric, and F1 score. Its efficiency and simplicity make it widely applicable in real-world scenarios such as spam detection and sentiment analysis. To conclude, Naive is a probability classifier that works well with the text classification task, and it's evaluated using metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score, and it is widely applicable in real-world scenarios. Thank you.